Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Gemini to Google Documents. So first what we need to do is go to the Gemini chat interface, so right over here. Then click on settings gear icon right here and then click on extensions in the left hand navigation panel. So let's take a look where it is. So we have it right over here. Extension, connect the apps. And now we can locate a Google Workspace extension. So right here, this one, Google Workspace, as you can see. Toggle this switch on. So this blue one here, this instantly links Gemini to your Docs, Gmail, and Google Drive. Now, what you can do, we can start new chat in Gemini and type this symbol in this prompt box. Select Google Docs, which you have it right over here from this pop-up menu. And now you can, let's say, type in something like that and send it to Gemini. And this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.